Hey, how's it going? Are you looking for the best for a credit card for truckers? In case you're a trucker and you're looking for, the best for credit card for truckers, then this video is where I'm gonna be listing and explaining some best credit cards and also some methods that you can use to, mitigate cost and your ability to be able to enjoy some cashbacks and also more benefits with some credit card issuers as a trucker. And also, I'm gonna be talking about some, best points that you can also put into consideration so that you can be able to make the best decision out there. Now, the first one I'm going to be talking about here is the Trucker Advantage card from Hoho IDA. Okay. And this card offers a substantial discount of 14 cents off the cash price at TA Pilot Love Station. Right here is the card. As you can see, Truckers Advantage for a card, and as you can see, it's put Hoho IDA membership to work for you today and get huge savings. Okay, so you can see this is a card that you can go for and you enjoy some benefits. So you can see, and the Truckers Advantage card has some of the lowest card fees in the industry. You can see 0 monthly card fees and lowest fees for in-network fuel purchases, everyday fuel discounts at over 8,000 locations. Okay, and cash price at every pump, cash services, cash advances, EFS money codes, Canadian acceptance. It's been accepted in Canada, and as you can see right there, several other ones or several other benefits out there. So the first one that I have here is this one, which I believe it will be a good one for you to consider, okay, in case you are interested in these. And also this card offers additional benefits, okay, such as rewards or loyalty program. All right, and they also further enhance its value proposition for users. Now, in addition to discount at some major truck stops, the Trucker Advantage, it provides significant savings, okay, at smaller truck stops. So it makes it a versatile option for truckers. Okay, and if there's any trucker like you or anybody who frequently fuel at TA Pilot or Love Stations, you can maximize your savings with this card also. Okay, so this is a very good card that you can consider. All right, another one here that I'm going to be talking about is the TCS, which is also known as TransConnect service. Okay, you can see this is another card. You can see 10 years of fuel discount for truckers. So right here is the card, and you can also go for this. You can see save an average of 47 cents per gallon. At TransConnect services, we understand that diesel fuel prices are unpredictable, so you can use this to manage and control fuel expenses, and for truckers like you or trucking companies. Okay, so it's known for offering good discounts, okay, particularly on the west coast of the United States. Okay, so this is a very good one that you can sign up for. So you can see the annual fee is 0. Also they have in network locations, universal accepted locations. Okay, and they've been in existence for 10 years. They started in 2014. So these you can see TCS fuel discount partners. They have a lot of partners also out there that you might, you can see Quick Trips, AM Best Fuel Stops, Petrol Shopping Center, and a lot like that. Fair design for trucking businesses of all sizes. So these are good for truckers, okay, that you can go for, and you never regret even applying for this type of card. All right. So also, while the exact discounts may vary by location and fuel prices, the TCS, they provide truckers with competitive savings on your fuel purchases. Okay, so one of the key advantages of TCS is its provision for detailed purchases information, and they also allow users to track their fuel expenses accurately. All right, and I think I like the card affordability in terms of monthly fees and potential savings. Okay, so it makes it an attractive options for truckers like you or several other ones out there who are looking to optimize your fuel costs. Okay, so this is a good one that you can also consider, which is called the TCS TransConnect service card. All right, and another one I'm going to be talking about is the EFS, which is also known as the electronic fund source. Okay, you can see Fleet One Edge card. So right here is another one that you can consider. Okay, and this card is a good one. You can see discount on fuel and more to help you get ahead, jump out with the features you need in a fuel card, plus the Wex Edge savings network, one of the largest nationwide discount network available. So you can see fuel discount at over 4,500 sites. You save for thousands per year on fuel discount alone. No fuel transaction fees at 4,000 plus networks accepted at 12,000 plus truck stop nationwide, and a lot of that right there. So you can see this is another card that you can consider, which is known as the EFS. Okay, I've recommended this card and I've seen several other people recommending it, and it's been a good one that you can also consider. Okay, and the fact that you get good discounts on Fiat purchases, and it's making it a popular choice among truckers. Okay, it's a popular choice, and although you need to know that EFS requires significant funding. Okay, so which may be more suitable for fleet or trucking companies rather than individual truckers. So in case you're an individual truckers, then you might want to consider the other ones I've said above. But if you are somebody who maybe you run a trucking company or fleets of truckers, then this is a good one. Okay, but individuals, this might not really be okay because of the significant funding that is required. Okay, and the card also focus on fleets, means that it may offer additional features or services tailored to the need of larger operations. Okay, and also while the EFS may not be ideal for all truckers, those who can meet its funding requirements can benefit from substantial savings on fuel expenses. Okay, also some other one that I know that it's also good is the NASTC Fleet One. Okay, yeah, that one is also a good one because the card provides truckers with a discount of 0.05 cents above cost at all TA or petrol stations. Okay, so this means that users of this card can actually pay slightly above the wholesale cost of fuel. Okay, so resulting in saving compared to paying the real retail price. Okay, so the main advantage of the NASTC Fleet One is that it's widely accepted at petrol stations, okay, or TA, and which are commonly found along major trucking routes. Okay, so truckers who frequently fuel at TA petrol stations can benefit from consistent saving on their fuel expenses. Okay, so that is what I have for you. And another one that I'm going to be talking about is the Truck Smarter and Trucker Pad and Relay. Okay, Radius Truck Smarter, and this is another platform. Okay, like these are just fuel discount apps. Okay, it's not like maybe they really have some kind of fancy credit card stuff, but you can see that you enjoy cash backs, no long-term contracts, 2.5% factory rate, no sign-up fees. So with this, they're just like an app. Okay, they're just like an app, so that offers significant discounts on fuel purchases, like this one, Truck Smarter. Okay, right there you can see, scroll down, you can see right there it's an application that you can also leverage on. Okay, so in case you're looking for more rewards as a trucker. Okay, and right here also is Trucker Pad. Okay, which is also like that, which is also an application that is a good one. Okay, so they are similar to Mudflap. Okay, so these apps provide truckers with access to discounted fuel prices at various truck stops, and including independent and smaller ones. Okay, so you as a user, in case you use any of this app, you can see Truck Driver app, you can compare prices, and you choose the most cost effective option, all right, for refueling and helping you to save money on fuel expenses. Okay, so these apps often provide real-time updates on fuel prices and discounts, so which allows you as a trucker to make informed decision whenever you are on the road. So that is why I just recommend these. Okay, it's not like they're a credit card, they're just an application, but they can also help you out when needed. And also another one is Relay. You can go ahead, research more on Relay, it's also a good one. But these two, Trucker Pad and Truck Smarter, they are okay for ya. Okay, so that is what I have for you regarding credit card that you can consider. And let me give you some key points that you can also leverage on before we round up this video. Okay, so now you need to always consider your preference for fuel discounts, okay, apps. Okay, because fuel discount apps like Trucker Smart, Truck Pad, and Relay, they have gained popularity among truckers due to the significant discounts that they offer to traditional fuel cards. So these apps often they provide real-time updates on fuel prices and discounts, so which allows truckers to find the best deals whenever they're on the road. And additionally, fuel discount apps may offer discounts at a wider range of truck stops, including independent and smaller ones, which provides truckers with more flexibility and options for saving on fuel expenses. And you need to also know that the second point I have here is the popularity of cashback rewards credit cards. So many truckers do opt in for credit cards that offers cashback reward for fuel purchases, because cashback rewards allow truckers to earn a percentage on their fuel spending, which comes back as a rebate. Okay, and effectively reduce the overall cost of fuel. So this credit card may offer higher cashback rates or additional benefits such as bonus reward on fuel purchases, and also making them attractive options for truckers looking to maximize savings. You also need to factor influencing fuel card choice, because the choice of fuel card varies among truckers, and it often depends on individual preferences, routes, and availability of discounts at specific truck stops. So you as a trucker, you may need to consider factors such as the coverage area of your card that you want to apply for and the frequency of usage, also associated fees and the level of discount offered whenever you're selecting a fuel card. So for example, truckers with routes that primarily pass through areas with, participating truck stops, they may prefer fuel cards that offers discounts at those specific location. Okay. Also, try as much as possible to maximize savings with combination of cards. Okay, because to optimize savings and benefit, a lot of truckers, they often use a combination of fare cards, okay, and reward cards from truck stops. So you might not only use one, you can leverage multiple cards, and you can access discounts and reward from different providers, because it allows you to maximize your savings on your fare purchases. Okay, because for example, maybe you as a trucker, you use a fare card for discounted fare prices at a specific truck stops, and you can use a reward card to earn points or discounts on in-store purchases or other amenities. Okay, so this approach will allow you to tailor your fueling strategy to specific needs and preferences, and it ultimately helps you to save money and enhance your overall experience on the road. So this is what I have for you in today's video. And in summary, you as a trucker, you can have various options for saving on fuel expenses, and it can range from fuel discount apps and cashback rewards credit card to traditional fuel cards and reward programs offered by truck stops. So the choice of fueling strategy depends on factors such as individual preferences, route consideration, and the desire to maximize savings and benefit whenever you're on the road. So that is what I have for you in in the overall part of this video. And if you have any other card that you've used, or maybe any app that works for you majorly, any credit card that you know about that I didn't talk about in this video, you can let us know in the comment box. Also, decided that a lot of people out there will be able to make the best decision from anything that you've written. Thank you very much. I hope this video is helpful. Let me know. You can drop any like, comment, and subscription, anyone, just to show that this video has helped you a lot. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you in some other video.